Okay. So once again, it's a live recording. Well, kind of live because on YouTube Live is kind of stupid. But after yesterday's fiasco of airplay, today's airplay is going to be for January 5th. If I can pull out the right page. Okay. No, those are spoilers. That's a spoiler. We have the Wombats. Ooh. Now get rid of the other pages because you're not supposed to see those yet, and I'm not supposed to yet. Alright, so here is the Wombat. Oh wow, this is going to be a crazy fold, ain't it? And here's the artwork here. So, trying to follow the instructions, but I'm going to have to bring these closer to me. So the first step is as usual, fold in half, and then unfold. Now this time we'll make sure to line this up. It's not completely lined up, dang it. Made it correctly. And then unfold. Then make diagonal creases and then unfold. So you want them to fold like see where you want it to fold. You want it to fold down this way. Try to make sure I do this right. Alright, so diagonal creases on each side and then unfold. There's a frame too, because sometimes I can't use things in a frame. Alright. Now, next step, we have to fold the top edge down, where it's so that the new crease passes through this point where the diagonals intersect. Then unfold. So once again, we fold this way. And it lines up sometimes. And then right there, that's about right. I just don't like the fold sometimes, so if only there was an easier way to tell. Yeah, right. And then we unfold. Lift both sides and right to the center crease. Wait, how do you? Okay, so lift both sides. Oh, I see. You fold it like this. Okay, yeah, this is an awkward fold, I know that much. Collapse it to make a triangle shape, like so. Like so. A little bit off, but this one. Alright. That kind of works. Kind of looks still a little, but that can't be helped sometimes. That is how it's looked up. We'll both. Now, next step is to crap the camera. It likes to rotate sometimes. Only I could get this cape fixed together. Sorry about that. So the next step is to fold both front points up to the top and then unfold. So these 2 points have to fold up. And then we unfold. And then fold both front parts upward. So from there, these upward like so. The next step is to turn it over. You fold the nose downward and flip over. this. Flip again. Mount and fold the mutual model in half. We want it to fold like this. Okay. And arrange the wings to match the profile shot. Fold in like this. And last but not least, we fold it along the lines. So, adjust the wings if necessary. Kind of looks weird. I folded it wrong, but this should be what it looks like at the end. Now let's wait. Supposed to fold more of this down. I think we are, but folding it down some more. It's weird like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna fold. Aha! And this is how it's supposed to look. And there we go, it's the Wombat. Alright, so next, if you enjoyed my awkward rambling in order to build this airplane, please like the like button, and we'll be back tomorrow to do whatever the plane is behind this.